how to register Starbucks in India. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can register Starbucks in India, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To register Starbucks for India, you first have to come to the website starbucks.in, which is the Indian website, right? So I'll make sure to drop a link below, and once you go to starbucks.in, you will see this interface. Now you can click the profile icon from the top right. It will ask you to log in or sign up, so click on login or sign up. If you have an account, you can go ahead and log in, but since we don't have an account, you can see the little button here that says sign up, so click the sign up button instead. Then all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the email address you'd like to use, and also simply make sure to enter the mobile number that you would like to use over here. Then after you have done that, simply go ahead and then create your password, confirm the password, and the password needs to have minimum of 8 characters with 1 uppercase, 1 symbol, and 1 numeric number. Then once done, you can just click on continue, and the Starbucks account for India will get successfully created. This way you can register Starbucks India. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.